In this video, I want to share with you two organizations with an ongoing grant offer that you can apply for and earn for yourself $5,000 to fund your business or project and also start a new year. So if you have a business that needs money to grow or you need funds for your project, ensure you watch this video to the end to know how you can apply and get these grants. And also share this video with people you know that need this grant opportunity. The first platform I will be sharing is for women that need funds to fund their business. And the second platform works for everyone, both male and female, and it works worldwide. So if you're new here, my name is Chidi. I'm an online researcher and a make money online enthusiast. I'm very, very passionate about helping you make money on the online space. So if this video interests you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also turn your notification bell on to always get updated by YouTube whenever I upload beautiful content that can possibly make you money on the online space. So ensure you subscribe to this channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of those opportunities. So subscribe right now, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Do well to comment your location down below the comment section so that I can make videos on the possible way of making money in your location. So before we get into the video, on my last video, I promised to sub for 3 persons and I've been able to select 2 persons from my last video who commented on the video. So I'll be calling them out in this video. If you hear your name, ensure you send me a mail with your phone number so that I can send you your data. So the first winner is Martins Sharison. He said, "What an amazing video. Please send me your phone number via my email address. I'll be sending your data immediately you send it. You are an amazing personality. Thank you for always sticking around this channel." So let's go into the video. I'll be calling the rest later. The first platform with an ongoing grant offer is Flourish Africa Grant for Female Entrepreneur. This is a 1 billion naira fund created to support and promote African female-owned businesses. And you can stand a chance to get funded with 3 million naira if you're from Nigeria. Now, this is an organization that will help prepare female entrepreneurs for their business journey. This organization will help enhance your skill, mentor you, give you business capital, and also give you visibility in the marketplace. So this is an opportunity you wouldn't want to miss out on. There are criteria as to how you can apply on this platform. First, you must be 18 to 50 years of age. So if you're below 18 years, you are not eligible to apply. And also, if you're above 50 years, you are not eligible to apply for this grant offer. Applicant must be a female. Applicant must also have access to internet-enabled device. Applicant business must have been operated for at least 1 year, and your business must be domiciled in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. This is to say that if you're in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, this grant opportunity is for you. So you shouldn't take any chances. Once you get this video, make sure you apply ASAP. And you have from now to 31st of December to apply for this grant. So if you are a female who needs this offer, do well to apply for it immediately. Or if you know someone who needs this offer that resides in any of those states in Nigeria, make sure you share this video with them. Just simply click on the share button and you send it to whoever you want to send it to. Make sure you share this video across because you may be helping someone get an opportunity to change her life. The second platform with an ongoing grant offer is Zomi. They will be giving out $5,000 Leica Q3, Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and an offline launch tour to the first winner. And to the second winner, they will be giving out $5,000 Xiaomi 13 Pro and a offline launch tour. And the third winner will be grabbing $3,000 Xiaomi 13 and a offline launch tour. And the finalist prize will be a Xiaomi gift pack. So before I give you the details of this grant, the second winner of my last video is $750 per day job. Please send me your contact via my email address as I will be subscribing for you. You'll be getting your data ASAP. As soon as I receive your contact or my email address, I'll be subscribing for you. Now back to the video. Now this is an annual photography contest hosted by Zomi to promote diverse imagery and encourages people to submit pictures that conveys their vision and their stories. So this platform will like you to share your stories through images using Xiaomi smartphone. So if you have Xiaomi smartphone or Redmi, you can apply for this grant offer immediately by signing up with your email address and your password on the Xiaomi community. So these are the kind of photos you are expected to submit on this platform. These images tells your story and your vision. So I will post the link to this platform in the description box so you can access it easily. So you can hop on any of these grants offer and make sure you share this information to as many as possible, as you may be helping someone or changing someone's life. So ensure you drop your comments right in the comment section, ask me your questions, and also comment because I will be picking the last person for the data offer in this video. Also like and subscribe to this channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of those grant opportunities that I'll be posting on this channel. So until my next video, it is good luck.